Hey there, so let's see how to merge two sorted array. Let's make here method first. We are returning array, so that's why we are taking integer of array. We are taking these two arrays as input, so let's take, and then let's take here first integer m, and then we are taking here um, first array's length in m and second array's length in n. So we are storing both of length in m and n. That will be needed in future, so that's why I wrote there. And next we are gonna do, we are making new array and we are storing all those output in this merged array. We are storing our output in this merged array, and that will be the length of array, m plus n, whatever it will be. I equals to 0, and then we are taking here, we are just assigning integers here, okay, nothing much. And integer j equals to 0, integer k equals to 0, okay. And what we are gonna do is so we have to merge element from both of arrays in sorted order. So we are using here while loop while I is less than m and n. So till the length of array we are looping through, and I is less than j. So what we are gonna do is we are storing I in merged array of k plus plus, that will continuously storing. So array of I, so that is the thing we have done. And so next what we are gonna do is in else part, so in if what we done here is array 1 of I is less than array 2 of j, so we are storing uh, that in merged k plus plus. It's a new array and we already assigned that array here, merged array, and we assigned k already here. So and in else part what we are gonna do is k plus plus and then array of 2. If how this loop is working, array 1 of I plus plus, if like I is less than j, so that will store in k, okay. And if j is less than I, so that will be stored here, so in else condition. So I think half of our coding part is done, and copy remaining elements from array 1 if any, okay. So I know that that is gonna run. So let's call our return our array, merged array, return here our merged array, and see, let's see what will the output. So simply we are copying our elements into remaining array, okay. And that's it, I think. So let's run it again, and then you will see the output. Oh, here is showing at the end of the, like, the end is 7 again, but I think, oh, here we made mistake, and let's run it, okay. So that's how we can merge two sorted arrays. So let's understand from start, okay. So what we done, we made here a method, and we took two arrays as input, and then we stored in integer m and n the length of two arrays, and then we made another array of merged array, okay, and integer of array, another array, and take those integers like m and n as a length, because we need only the length of m plus n is equal to the array of the length of new array, okay. And then we took here integer I, j, we initialize I, j and k. And then in while loop what we done here is when I is less than m and j is less than n, so what we are gonna do, we stored if array of I is less than j. So what we are gonna do is, so then we are storing I in merged array, and then in else condition we are storing in merged array 2 of j. And then in while loop what we done, if there is any element is remaining, so we are storing into this merged of k plus plus, and simply we have returned here, and that's it. If you want to take more elements, so you can if you can in future you increase the length of the array, So and we already write the code of it, so you don't need to take too much stress of it. Okay. And so let's run it also. So let's run it, and here you can see here output. So it's done. Once in a week I upload a video on DSA topic, so you can find here some DSA videos or Spring Boot and React.js videos also. Like curious and keep practicing.